It's Thursday. Here's our instructional video. I kind of erased that left side of the screen over here, but we're back. We're dealing with a rhombus. Okay, and what you got to understand is this rhombus right here, and we can change this. Not really number 15. It's going to be what I want it to be, but I want to kind of go through this one together and explain what's going on here. Now, for this first problem, and what we can do is for this first problem, what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to show you, and I just want you kids to watch. I don't even want you to take notes. Okay, the second problem, what we'll do is I'll have you do it on your own. Okay, and then what's going to happen there is I will go through and I'll show you kind of how to do it after you did it. And then the last one will just be your homework problem. I'll probably load it up. I'll change this little problem over here on the left that was there. I'll kind of make a change to them, add one thing or two. I'll make a change over here to the right, and that's going to be your homework for the day. Okay, so easy money. Now, as you can see, I kind of changed what's going on here. Now, let's attack this problem as we already know how to attack it. That means that let's do the angles first. If this guy's 22, this guy's 22, this guy's 22, and this guy's 22. All right, we know that for a fact. Okay, we also know that all these guys in here in the middle are 90-degree angles. Now we can go up here and kind of attack this top area because we know that all three angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. We can say 90 plus 22 is, I think, 112. And let's subtract that from 180 and see what we get. 68, I believe. All right, that means that angle 2 here is 68, this guy here is 68, this guy here is 68, and this guy here is 68. Okay, the next thing we can do, and what I like to do, the best thing you could do moving forward, if you ever see this, you know, next year or something like that, is if you have a picture, fill out all the information in the picture first and then answer the question. All right, so we're actually going to do that right now. I'm teaching you how I like to attack. Let's go to blue. Now, LP is 5. From L to P is 5. We did this last time. I'm going to put a 5 here. I'm going to put a 5 here. Okay, that's a beautiful thing. Now, MO is 24. From M all the way up to O here at the top is 24. Now, I don't want to draw the 24 in there because I want to say, oh, shoot, if from the top to the bottom it's 24. Let's go ahead and divide that by 2 and make it 12 and say, okay, this guy's 12 and this guy's 12. All right, and we've basically attacked this entire thing. You can take all this information, right, and put it down in the bottom. Now, what's going to be new today is they're going to ask you, hey, they're going to say, hey, what's MN? From M to N, right? They're going to say, hey, what is this side length right here from M to N? And you're thinking, oh, well, I don't have that side length. Okay, there's nothing there. Remember, if they gave you a piece over here, like if they said 10 over here in the corner, well, then we'd know that everything is 10, right? And then MN would be 10, but that's not the case, right? We don't have that, and we don't know that. Okay, but what do we know? Okay, I'll tell you what do we know. We know that we have a right, and I'm going to highlight it down here in the corner. We have a little triangle down here in the corner. Okay, and he looks like this. Kind of like this. He's got a right angle here. Okay, this space is 12. This length up here is 5. And remember, this is N. And this is M down at the bottom. Okay, and they want MN. They want this question mark. Well, guess what? Let's use the Pythagorean theorem like I told you we were going to use. Let's go over here. Actually, I want to grab like a little custom color because I'm so happy right now. This orange? Does this even look like an orange? Okay, that's money right there. Okay, we understand across from the right angle is our C. It's our hypotenuse, right? So we have A and B are the other two sides. So 5 squared plus 12 squared equals C squared. Okay, 5 squared is 25. 12 squared is 144 equals C squared. Okay, 25 plus 144 is 169 equals C squared. And then you square root that, and you'd figure out that C equals 13. So this piece over here is 13, so MN technically is 13. Okay? What do you think about that, Bear? Does that excite you at all? I guess not. Okay, he wasn't impressed, but he is happy. I'll tell you that. He loves Big Bear, but he's pretty bummed that but there wasn't snow everywhere for him to play. So let me kind of go back. That's not what I wanted to do at all. Let me go back and load up this problem again so we can see what's going on here. Sketchbook. Okay, let me erase this guy so we got some room over here for me to work. And let's make some adjustments here. Now, I actually like the fact, and we can stick with 4 and 6 here. We can totally stick with that. Okay, I like this. Okay, and I'm going to change this 37 because that really, you've already done that, right? We don't want 37. And why don't I just change it up in general and give you this guy down over here? I'm going to tell you this guy is 41 degrees. Okay, now given this information up here, I'm going to add a piece to the puzzle. I'm going to say, hey, what's LM equals what? And this is really the bulk of the lesson today, right? Because you already know how to do all this stuff down here at the bottom. Bear, hey, no scratching. You already know how to do the bulk of this stuff here at the bottom. This is the new piece here. Okay, so I'm going to leave this to you. I want you kids to press pause for a minute, get this down on paper, work through it, get all your answers, okay, and then we're going to go through it again in a second, all right? Now we're back. Yeah, we are. Okay, and you know that this guy's 41. This guy's 41. What's up, buddy? This guy's 41. Okay, we know that, and we know all these guys are right angles in the middle. Try and make it small to not mess it up. Okay, that tells me, and I'm not even going to answer this stuff at the bottom until this in full thing's filled out. Now let's figure out 2 and 3. Well, 90 plus 41. It's so bright out here, I'm like squinting. 90 plus 41 is 131. Subtract that from 180, and we get 49. Let's say 49. Hopefully it's 49. Okay, so this guy's 49. This guy's 49, this guy's 49, and this guy's 49. Okay, now we're happy with that. We should be. Let's go over here with our information. LP is 4. This guy's 4, which means that this guy's 4. And then it tells us MO from the top all the way to the bottom is 6. Let's divide that by 2 and get 3. Well, that means this piece is 3, and this piece is 3. Okay, and we can go and fill out all of our information. Okay, LN. Where's from L to N? Well, that's 4 plus 4 is 8. PN. From P to N. Well, that's 4. OP. Is this O up here? From O to P is what? 3. MP. From M to P. Oh, yeah, that's 3 too. Measure of angle 1. Where's 1? 41 degrees. OLM. From O to L to M. That's this piece over here. That's 41 and 41 is 82 degrees. Measure of angle 4. Where's our 4? Oh, in the middle, 90 degrees. That's the easiest one. LON. From L to O to N. That's this guy up here. Well, that's 49 and 49. 98 degrees. Measure of angle 2. Where are you, 2? Up here. That's 49 degrees. And then measure of angle 3 is also 49 degrees. Now our last piece is here. LM. Where is LM? Well, that's down here. From L to M is this piece right here. Now, what I'm going to do is actually break this triangle off of the picture. So I'm going to break them off of the picture and recreate them. Well, we have a 4 here. We have a 3 here. And we want to know what this piece is. Well, that's the hypotenuse, isn't it? Okay, we can say 4 squared plus 3 squared equals c squared. Okay, 3 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. 9 plus, minor voice crack there, 16 equals c squared. 25 equals c squared. Square root it, right? And c equals... it looks like 5. Bear, are you seriously whining right now? What's your deal? Okay, so our LM is 5. What, dude? I'm teaching. You guys want to see this whiny baby right here? I'm teaching, dude. Okay, so let's move kind of to our homework and see what's going on with our homework. All right, and I'm going to see what I can do with the homework. I'm going to make some adjustments. Okay, you want to go inside. I get it. Give me a second. He talks. I don't know if you guys know that. He's like super smart. He'll talk. He's the man. Okay, chill. Hey, chill out for a second, dude. All right, now let's switch some things up here. For this problem right here, we're going to call this problem number 1 for your homework. We're going to call this problem number 2 for your homework. Okay. What do I want to do here? I am actually going to change this guy up a little bit. I can say, for this guy right here, I'm going to change him from 37. That's going to be 22 degrees. Okay, and I'm going to actually switch this information up over here. So I'm going to tell you that MN is 10. Okay, I'm going to tell you that, make this a little tricky. Should I make it tricky? Nah, I'll keep it simple. No, I have to now because I already gave you MN. Okay, MN is 10. I'm going to tell you that MP is 6. Okay, and what I want you to, the additional information that I want you to find for me, this is going to be the additional, I want you to find for me LP, LP equals what? This is huge, right? And I want you to find LN for me. Okay, and we'll just leave it at that. Those are going to be, this is the information that goes in the picture, and then this is the information I'm going to need on the homework. Okay, over here, let's change this 60 to a 50. Okay, I'm also going to tell you that, hey, this guy is 12. This guy right here is 5. Okay, the new information that I want you to find for me in this picture, it's new. Okay, I want you to find AB for me. AB is something. Okay, I also want you to find for me AC and ABC. This is D up here, just so you know. BD. Alright? Okay, so I'm actually not going to attach this assignment because I can't make changes to it like this. I just kind of drew it up. Okay, what we're going to do is this is your assignment. So if you just want to press pause on the video itself, okay, and work off of that, remember what you're going to do is send me an email that says Thursday homework, right? And you can even put the date. I think the date will be 4/23. Okay, and then just give me your answers as they are. That'll be your check-in. If you don't get it or you can't do it because your hand's chopped off or something, make sure you send me a check-in regardless, just to check in and say what's up. But other than that, this is our lesson for the week. Stinking miss you kids. I really do. And I can't stress enough, there's some kids I haven't heard from. And I don't want to call them out by name, but I haven't heard from them. They haven't done one thing. They haven't checked in once. Okay. I've kind of reached out a little bit, but I can't spend all day calling you kids. So you need to check in with 2 or 3 people in each class and say, hey, are you doing Grasmic's work? Or at least have you checked in and emailed Grasmic and let them know that you're alive? Okay, go ahead and please check in with a few people in class, okay, your friends, and make sure that they've at least checked in with me. If they haven't, encourage them. Hey, send them an email and just let them know what's up. Okay, all right, I'm proud of you kids, and thank you. I'm looking forward to getting all your work by Friday at midnight.